Hello everyone, I'm Anna from Zhanyao. Today, we'll talk about the curing system, one of the core equipment in coating production line. Actually, curing is a chemical polymerization reaction which can form a dense and stable coating surface treatment. According to different production needs, our curing ovens are mainly divided into three types. First, the manual fixed oven. Simple structure, easy to operate, low investment, perfect for small batch, multi-variety workpieces. Second, the tunnel oven. It uses continuous automatic conveying. Workpieces pass through at a constant speed. Curing is uniform and efficient, great for mass production lines. Third, the bridge oven. It has larger space and span, specially designed for large workpieces, high profiles and integral components, with high space utilization and more uniform drying. Our technicians can control the internal temperature difference within 5 degrees centigrade, so no workpiece overbaking or underbaking. As for heating sources, we will customize to customer sites, energy conditions. In addition, daily maintenance is also very important. When we export the equipment, we will provide maintenance instruction to extend the equipment's service life and keep production efficient. A professional curing system plus scientific maintenance can not only ensure stable coating quality, but also reduce operating costs and avoid downtime. We can customize the most suitable curing solution for you. Contact me, I'm waiting for you.
展耀 Together we color the world.